Hello YouTube, I'm back with the box break. Leaf Draft 2014 football. The 2014 Leaf Draft football. I actually like this set. I mean, the last few years are alright, but I have a problem with it this year. 2 autograph cards per box, yeah, but as you can see, in the last 2 years, the autographs were in the packs. Look at this year. They're packaged separately, so I still have them inside. See right there, I still have them inside. I'm not going to look at them yet. I might just do it like the last time when I opened them in 2014, where I just open a few packs and that's it. But let's see what happens. But it appears they have parallels this time around. I mean, it's not just nothing but a pack of base cards. Got Mike Campanaro, Troy Nicholas, Trey Mason. As you can see, there's silver, and these ones have gold on the side, so those are parallels. Trey Mason, Timmy Jernigan, and Maurice Grice. Okay, pack number 2. Rashid Higman, Jadeveon Clowney. This is a pretty good one. Gold, Mike Campanaro, Adrian Hubbard, Trent Murphy, Kyle Van Noy. There's 20 packs per box, by the way, plus the 2 autographs. Dion Bailey, a gold Troy Nicholas, Stephon Truitt, and Zach Martin. Pack number 4, Logan Thomas, Carlos Hyde, Trevor Riley Gold, Ryan Shazer, and Justin Gilbert. Trey Miller, Chase Reddick, Travis Swanson Gold, Aaron Donald, Jacob Peterson. In the pack, Aaron Murray, Rajion Neal, Rashid Higman Gold, Case McCoy. I wonder if he related to Colt. I mean, on this card it says he went to Texas. Khalil Mack, and you know Colt McCoy went to Texas also. Calvin Pryor, Allen Robinson, Kyle Van Noy Gold, Kadeem Carey, Ed Stinson, Bradley Roby, Coney Ely, Dion Bailey Gold, Victor Hampton, Lache Seastruck, or some shit like that. I don't know. That was a weird name. Stephen Morris, AJ McCarron, Logan Thomas, Derek Carr, Jeffrey Pagan. Wow, 4. Oh, the Logan Thomas is a gold, but 4 quarterbacks, and it ends with a defensive end. Kevin Reese, Devontae Adams, Teddy Bridgewater. Hey, that's a gold Teddy Bridgewater. I just noticed that. Hey, Tyler Gaffney, Taylor Lewan. That's cool though. Teddy Bridgewater's gold. So that's a parallel right there. Scott Crichton, Devin Street, gold Trey Miller, CJ Mosley, Jarvis Landry. We got 9 packs. 9 packs left, I mean. Ben Malina, Teddy Bridgewater regular card, a gold Morgan Moses, Alfred Blue, and James Wilder Jr. Henry Josie, Morgan Moses, Aaron Colvin Gold, Antonio Andrews, and Isaiah Crowell. Aaron Colvin, Daquan Jones, Daquan Jones Gold, yeah, one after the other. Taj Boyd and Jerome Smith. Okay. Jerick McKinnon, Sammy Watkins, Jerick McKinnon again, but this time the gold, Devonta Freeman, and Dante McCree. Rob Blanchflower, Jeff Janis, Rob Blanchflower again, but this time the gold, Anthony Johnson, Bishop Sankey. Okay, we're almost done here. Arthur Lynch, Kelvin Benjamin, Jeff Janis Gold, Paul Richardson, Zach Metterberger. It's cool though that at least they're doing parallels, so now you don't get a full pack of base cards. So I know that kind of annoys a lot of people, and a lot of these companies that make these cards like this, they don't really put anything in them. Trevor Riley, unless you buy the hobby versions. Travis Swanson, Arthur Lynch Gold, Brandon Cooks, Jeremy Hill, this is a pretty crazy name. Ha Ha Clinton Dix. Man, I don't think that's all that appealing of a name. Trey Mason, Ben Malenka Gold, Andre Williams, Shaquille Evans, and the last pack, Jake Matthews, Silas Reed, the gold Henry Josie, Bryn Renner, and Terrence West is the final card. Now, there we go. Well, they also let you know once you open it too. 2 autograph cards and top loaders, which yeah, they are in top loaders. Let's open this up. We have the first one. We have a gold Trevor Riley. In the second one, we have a silver Marquestin Huff. So 2 autos per box, 20 packs of, normal, but at least there's parallel cards for once. It's not too bad of a set. I mean, sometimes I like stuff like this, and most of the time I don't even like the college crap, but I've thoroughly enjoyed the last 3 years of Leaf Draft. But as for that, I think that's all I have to say about that. Thanks to anybody who actually watched this whole video the first time I actually showed every single pack. I only mostly showed all the packs because, you get golds now, which is pretty cool. At least there's parallels. Can't complain about that. As for now, I guess that's it. That's the end of the video. We'll see you guys the next time I do another video, and if you subscribe to me, I'll subscribe to you, the usual stuff that I say at the end. Make sure you're a public subscriber. That way I can see that you're on my subscribers list. And see you in the next video. Later, guys.